In this meditation, you will find a safe, gentle space where, step by step, your body and heart open to goodness, trust, and a future that can truly support you. Sit down or lie down comfortably. Let everything that has happened today begin to quiet down. This is your moment, a moment that opens a space for what is good, for what can come to you, for what may already be on its way. Take a slow, calm breath in and feel how your body makes space for something new. And now a long, gentle exhale, as if you were releasing the entire weight of the day. With each breath, notice that something inside you begins to soften, that the tension melts, as if light were touching every layer of your body. Imagine that a bright path appears in front of you, softly illuminated by a gentle, quiet glow. It is straight, peaceful, and it leads you into a future that supports you. Take a slow step onto this path. Feel how every step means opening, light, natural, in your own rhythm. As you take the next step, imagine the air becoming brighter, as if a delicate breeze, soft, warm, pleasant, were flowing through it. This breeze symbolizes the good things that are coming, possibilities you might not see yet, but which are already approaching. Say in your mind, I allow good things to find their way to me. My body and my heart open at their own pace. I am ready to receive what supports me. Pause for a moment in the middle of this bright path. The light around you becomes softer, the air calmer, and inside you a quiet sense appears that everything good can truly come to you. Take a calm breath in. Feel how your body responds, as if it knew that this is a good moment to create more space for what is good. And a long, releasing exhale, in which everything closed or tense begins to loosen. Now bring your attention to your belly. This place often holds uncertainty, gentle fears, worries about change. Feel them for a moment, without judging, as if you were saying to your body, I see you, I am here. Imagine that the bright light accompanying you on the path slowly fills your belly, illuminates it from within, opens it to courage, to trust. Say in your mind, I open myself to what supports my life. Now move your attention a little higher to your chest. This is where we often keep unspoken emotions, weights that make it hard to receive something good even when we are ready. Feel your chest from the inside. If there is tension, notice it, and then allow the light to begin dissolving it, slowly, gently, in your own rhythm. Say in your mind, "My heart knows how to receive." My heart opens without hurry. Now bring your attention to your hands. Hands are symbols of receiving. We accept touch, gestures of support, and new gifts of life with them. If your hands are tense, cold, or stiff, notice it with softness. Imagine that the light of future possibilities flows into your hands, as if it were saying, "You can receive. It is safe." Say in your mind, "I allow myself to receive what is good." Now move your attention to your shoulders. This is where we carry responsibility, often too much, often for too long. Let your shoulders become heavier, in that pleasant way that means they are beginning to let go. Imagine the light flowing down your shoulders, as if lifting an invisible weight from them. Allow it to leave. Say in your mind, "I don't have to carry everything on my own." Finally, bring your attention to your throat. This is the place of permission. Permission for good things to truly come to you. Permission for their presence. Permission for openness. Feel your throat from the inside, a quiet space that can become wide and free again. Say, "I allow good things to enter my life." Take one more calm breath in, and a long, releasing exhale that completes this whole process of opening. Imagine that at the end of your bright path, a soft, luminous field appears, not blinding, not intense, gentle, good, inviting. This field symbolizes all the good things that can come to you, those that are already on their way, those waiting for you to notice them, those that will appear when you are ready. Stand in front of this light. Feel that you don't need to do anything. You don't need to try. You don't need to be anyone other than who you are. Just breathe, and with every breath, notice how your body opens a little more, as if it understood that goodness is not a threat, that goodness is part of your path. Say in your mind, "I am ready to receive what is good." I am open to what supports my life. My future can be good. Feel how these words settle inside you, how they create quiet foundations, a delicate permission, a space in which you can receive more from now on. Take one more calm breath in, and a soft, long exhale that closes this journey. Place your awareness on your body, on the weight of your hands, on your breath, on how gently your inner space is changed. When you feel the right moment, move your hands gently, your shoulders. Feel your body where it truly is. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes with new softness, with new space, with readiness for what is good. Thank you from my heart for sharing this moment with me and for allowing yourself to pause for a while within your own inner space. If this meditation felt meaningful to you, I invite you to subscribe, leave a comment, or share it with someone. It's the most beautiful way to support the creation of future Soul Nest sessions. And if you feel drawn to topics such as reincarnation or the space between lifetimes, you're warmly invited to visit my shop on Buy Me a Coffee. You'll find deeper, extended meditations there, and the link is waiting for you in the bio and in the description of this recording. Until we meet again on another journey, may whatever you welcome today stay with you gently and for a long time.